Hello and welcome, this is Interested in Interesting, I am John, and today we are unboxing the Energenie USB Adapter and pass-through alternate current socket. Some information and specifications from the manufacturer. Let's see what is in the box. The package with some information about the product. The instructions and information leaflet. If you like what we do here, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in tune for future content. If not, please tell us why in the comments. The adapter with two USB ports and a pass-through socket. A very straightforward gadget that gives the ability to charge or supply with power two devices via USB and have the AC socket available to use. It provides short-circuit protection and overload current protection. Two USB 5V 2A ports that supports most USB rechargeable devices. Just plug it into the wall socket to charge your USB rechargeable device. Practical pass-through AC socket for electrical loads up to 10 amps. The device does what it promises, no disadvantages found. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell icon to stay in tune for future content, leave us a comment, it helps a lot.